Hey everybody, today we're going to have a look at how to take yellowing on headlights away. Let's make a globe nice and clear. I'm going to use a Suzuki Let's Fall globe as an example, and I'll show you how to get rid of the yellowing and make it all nice and clear again. Come with me, let's take a look. You can see the headlight here, nice and clear, very yellow. So we're going to take you through cleaning that up. I'm going to start off with an 800 waterproof paper. You can see the yellow coming up in the water here. I'm going to keep going, use plenty of water until we can see the yellow's gone. It's looking pretty good. Obviously it's cloudy because we're scratching the surface. Once we've done that, you can see there it's nice and clear. There it's all hazy. We're going to do a finer sandpaper, 1500 on top of that, and then we'll polish it up with an electric drill and a buffing pad. So we're giving that a good go over. We'll dry it and get a rubbing compound which we'll use with the drill. See if we can get it clear, starting to come clear now. What we're going to use now is that in order to give it a first polish, and then we'll get a finer one, which is that one, which we will use as a final polish. Make sure we get any coarse material off here, because that will get in the brush, and then just scratch it in the sponge, and then just scratch it. Pretty good. You'll see a bit of a part there that needs to be done. So if you look at it now, the top is as good as the bottom, and what we'll do is we'll still give it a finer polish. Let's polish it up and see what we got. there, it's beautiful. So you can see there, we had a hazy top. Now, it's the same all the way around. They're nice and tight. Just like that. 2 screws in the bottom. And it comes together. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. You can't see the difference now between the lower half and the top half. It's totally clear. Hey, if you've enjoyed watching these videos, how about giving us a thumbs up on the video? And if you want to see more videos like this, how about subscribing to my channel? It would be much appreciated. Hope you have a good day. Thanks, bye.